Welcome. In front of me is an iPhone 13 Pro, and today I'll show you how to connect a GamePad to it. So to start off, you want to navigate to your Bluetooth settings. I can either do it by going to the control center, holding your Bluetooth and then holding it again and going to Bluetooth settings, or by going through settings and finding Bluetooth, which will take you to the exact same place. So once you have that open, what you want to do is simply power on your controller. I'm using an Xbox controller, obviously. Once you power it on, as you can see, it starts blinking. It did connect to something right now, but not what I wanted it to connect. So I'm gonna now put it in pairing mode, which is by holding this button right here. As you will see, the light will start blinking, and it is in pairing mode. So give it a second, and it should show up on your phone. And while it's finding it, I'm gonna quickly tell you why you might be interested in doing this. So some games do support GamePad, and this will allow you to basically play games using your controller and not actually have to deal with the touchpad itself. And additionally, if you're using something like Google Stadia or GeForce Now to play games through cloud, this will also function flawlessly with this. Other than that, there is not much benefit of using a controller on your iPhone. And look at that, I finished talking and it just popped up right here, so I'm gonna click on it. I just missed the button basically, so just cancel this, click on this. And there we go. As you can see, it is connected right now, and the light becomes stable. It's not blinking anymore. That's it. As you can see, it doesn't really provide much benefit to being connected because it doesn't really react in any way on the home screen. It will only work in games that actually support GamePad. But yeah, that is how you connect it. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.